Hi guys, this is Rick Knight with Highgarden Real Estate, and I'm visiting
Sandridge Park.
Sandridge Park, right here in Little River, right outside of North Myrtle Beach. I'm with Hannah Joyce and Mandie Mills with DR Horton and DHI Mortgage. Ladies, tell me about the community.
Well, it's just 110 homes. We are 4 miles to the beach, and it's a great spot if you want to be on the north end.
Good. What kind of financing do you have today?
We have lots of specialized financing here. If you want to qualify for government rates, we have a 4.99% we're offering, or conventional rates at 5.5, and we have special rates for investors and second homes as well. So give us a call. Let's see what numbers we can put together for you, because the only thing that's going up is home prices.
That's great. Well, listen, ladies, thank you so much for having me out today and some of our crew. And I'm going to put some links below for some of the information, and just give one of us a call and we'd be glad to help you.